Wow, I got lucky this time. Here comes the train. There they go, folks, headed towards Ashland, Kentucky, just coming from Cincinnati. Got lucky on that one. We're right alongside the Ohio River here. I had to hold my arm way out there to get that one there because we're on the side of a little hill right here. We stayed in this motel right there. That's a motel. We stayed on the second floor, the second one from the top, about 3 windows over, I think it was. That was an excellent place to watch trains too, folks. There you go, the Ohio River. How's it going there, Tobias?
Good.
Woo, here we go. Thanks for watching, folks. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and all that stuff. We'll see you later. Ah, but wait, there's more. There always is. We'll take a picture and figure out what year that is.
That looks like a 6.
Through the camera, it looks like 1816. To the naked eye, it looks to me like 1815. What do you folks think it is? Leave a comment below. 1816 or 1815?
No, it's 1616.
Or 1616, like she said. Maysville. Right behind me, and I can't see it. I can't get to it. It's right behind that flood wall right there. There it comes. There's a siding right there. We got live action going on, but we can't get to it. Got a flood wall.
You want your picture?
1850 on the church.